Hello everybody, it's 5:06 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This is Carrie for Eyes to See, and we're looking at the moon and the sun and the flat earth. I'm saying all those words so the algorithms will pick up. I've been researching, try to get my YouTube a little more good for you. Okay, so what we're doing is looking at that rose south of, if I can show you, this is about where the sun rises. Sorry about the blurry. And this moon is rising south of that. Now, stick with me here. Alright, let me close this. I've been working on this garden and it's not done yet, but I'm going to do the moss and the countries according to the United Nations map. And that, I think that will give us a good... Anyway, what we're doing is making this all level so that there's no ice wall. This will be water all the way out here. But right now, today, I want to talk to you about the sun and moon. So, not really mattering where we are on the plane, it's going to look the same because the sun and the moon go around, and we all have one thing in common, and that's the clock. Right? The clock and the calendar, we are using the same. So we can tell that moon, okay, is almost full. It's 10 hours, about 10 hours behind the sun. The sun is off to my right. And the reason we're getting the little shading is because it's under the sun and it's following the sun. So let me show you how that looks on here. So here's the sun. And without the countries and the pin, I know it's a little difficult. Maybe we should put a pin in here. This is there. That's us. Well, it's kind of hard to see because of that white perlite stuff. So the sun is about 10 hours in front of the moon. My wonderful design here. Okay. Now when the moon is totally full, it will be even like this, right? The moon will be directly on the other, like this. Then when it's a new moon, it's like this. So every day we see a little bit more. As it gets full, I know it sounds like I'm talking about things that you don't know about, and you know all this stuff. It's true, right? We know all this. But okay, as that gets full, it will then rise closer to the sun. And we'll be able to see if it's above or below the sun by where the shadow, the dark side of it is. Oh, I feel like I make no sense at all, you guys. Trying to put this into words. It is hard. Okay, so right now, the sun will set in a couple hours, right? And the moon is over right now in about our 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, where the sun is at 10 or 11. We see it where I've shown you out in the window. That's about where the sun is. It would be further south at 10 or 11 in the morning. So the sun will set and the moon will still be here as it gets dark, right? We see it now. But as the sun moves away, and they're moving at the same speed, the light follows it, but we'll see it dark. So this light keeps going. Let's say Alaska is right here. I don't know if that's probably not a good one to use. California. And the sun goes down for California. They'll be able to see the moon coming in as almost full, right? Okay. This is real, guys. It's really, that's flat Earth. The moon and the sun. What I like to do is make these tiny, like the size of a pea would be more accurate, right? When I put the countries in here. And I might do that, or just to keep, I think maybe to be more accurate would be good. So we'll make the sun and the moon smaller and closer. They'll be, above us at, 1 to 300 miles? What do you guys think? Anyway, I'm working on it, so I can shoot another clip at night. I'm going to try and catch the sunset and get the moon for you too again at sunset. And I thank you for watching. I'll keep working on this. We're going to get that, the countries in here from, I just had the map. United Nations map. Oh, I just was having Teflon brain syndrome. Sliding. All right, thanks for watching. I love you guys and have a great space, huh?